Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I show you how to create this look, which is very quick, very simple, very easy. I say this literally every tutorial and I try not to repeat it, but it is my Valentine's Day look. Now this is a little bit more themed towards Valentine's Day. I did the, tradish red lipstick, and I decided to pair it up with like a smoked out wing liner. This is like my favorite kind of look. It's very simple on the eyes but so bold on the lips, and that's my kind of look. I'm always bold on the eyes and really simple on the lips, so to kind of contrast it up is really nice. And I love a red lip. Miss Ruby Woo on the lips. It's the most classic red lip, and I've decided to wear it today with this look. So this is basically my main Valentine's Day look if you're trying to go really easy peasy on date night, or wherever you're going and you want to look cute but you don't want to look too much, but you want to look cute. So like cute but not too much, so I mean, if you want to look too much cute, you can look too much cute. It don't even matter, like, who's gonna judge? I ain't judging. So this is basically my look. Again, this is my favorite kind of look. If I were doing anything on Valentine's Day, if anyone was even taking me out on Valentine's Day, this is probably the look that I would do. But I'll be sitting, watching Netflix, watching my anime, in bed, with food in my mouth. So yeah, so this is the look. If you want to see how I did this, please continue watching.
So I start off by using the Barry M Fall in Love palette, taking this orange brown, and I do a simple colour wash over the eye. So from the inner corner, outer corner, the lid, all the way up into the socket. So it's a really simple wash. Then I take the darkest colour in the palette and I line my eyes with this colour to kind of create like a smoked outliner effect first. Just to make sure it starts off smoky. Then I take the Maybelline tattoo liner in brown and I start to line my eyeline again over the smoked out part that I just put on, and then with the same dark colour I begin to blend out the pencil. The pencil is really gel like, and it's really easy to make a beautiful smoked out look. Then I take the 3-in-1 hybrid liner by Gosh, which is new. This is in black, I believe. And I create a wing on the outer corner of my eyes and I bring it back in. So I just use this product to create the wing. Then I fill it in a little bit just so I'm not having a little empty space there. And I blend it out again with that same colour, the same darkest colour in the palette, and I blend it out and I smoke it all the way out. I still want to make sure that wing is crisp though. I'm still looking for a crisp line. Then with the pencil I do my waterline and my lower lash line. I line it up, darken it up, and I try to make it smoky, and I used the colour just above the darkest colour and I smoke that all the way out because your girl wants to look all kinds of smoky up in here, all kinds. Then I take the Lash Superdrug Natural Edition 13s to put on, and this is the MUA lip liner in Red Drama, which is like crazily pigmented for £1, and I love MUA lip liners. So I just line my lips with this and the lipstick, of course, which is MAC Ruby Woo, which is super duper uber kaduba matte, like crazy matte. And so this is the final look. It's a very dewy traditional red lip look. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.